Beautiful fall day, so a perfect time to get a whole house generator installed. Yes, it is fall, and it is time to pour some concrete, as you can see, in my secret little hideaway area. Not too much fuss, and we managed to get it level with a 4-foot level across here, so, or at least reasonably level. That's pretty good, I think. Did the same thing in the back and the sides, and then some diagonals to make sure we were still level. There we go. And so I'm gonna get a couple wheelbarrows of stone in here and stuff. I'm gonna steal stuff from the RV pad out there, and we're gonna get the corners filled in a little bit so the concrete mix doesn't leak out, and get ourselves a pad going here. Yeah, and of course some other projects have been going on where that fence there that I haven't quite finished yet, and actually debating changing the permit and going to 6 foot as opposed to 4, just because we got some folks that like to climb that fence now, is what I'm saying. But also, in part of that, I'm going to be clearing the brush out from in this area. Kind of missed the privacy a little bit, but we've got a fire pit back in there, and well, there's been some kids from around the neighborhood deciding to use that as a hangout spot back there in my backyard. So I'm going to have to, unfortunately, clear some of this brush out and clear the trees up, open up the yard a little bit so I can see it from the house, such as it is. There's the hose, and hopefully it's not on jet. Let's check that. No, shower. Okay, so we're gonna shower this, and we're gonna, there we go. Gonna get around the perimeter first, get the dust to settle in, and then we'll start doing the center section. Make sure we soak it up good. Consistency's getting a little better, a little creamier. So I'm gonna spread this around a little bit more. I have to go find my edging tools before too long. Use the cedar board here. I'm gonna just get it across the top. After taking this cheap old broom, it wasn't doing any good because it was warped. Good little broom finish on that. I have my edging tool, which I use there. Put an edge on the concrete. Now we're just going to let it set. Yep, let her cure. Generator pad is in. Now to get the generator. Alrighty, it's quite the mess here, but we're gonna try to sort it out. So there's the house, there's the RV back over there, but this is the area we've been cleaning out. It was full of scrub earlier.
which is all over there and here and everywhere. And you can see here, I can now see under the tree, and we can see the, okay, you can't see the fire pit just yet, but we're getting there. Some cardboard we need to do. I want to keep all this area kind of intact because it's my screening from the neighbors, and especially back in there. But we're working on it. We're working on it. Trying to get a better, clearer idea so we can see that fire pit and keep the, you know, visitors from using this as their little hidey hole. Another nice evening. It's almost 80 degrees here in October. Third week in October. Gotta be loving it. If I was traveling, which I'm not right now, we're trying to get that in shape to go. Look at that, even the houses become two-tone like the RV. I mean, it's like having a pet, right? You start resembling your pet. The RV's starting to look more like the house, and the house more like the RV. Don't know if the wife is liking that though, just be honest.